Does it have voice? Yeah, here we go. So in the videos, if I say hey SIRI, everybody who's listening who's got an Apple phone, it will instruct their phone to do it, and it can get really annoying. But if you're just driving along, you click the voice activation.
Press the voice recognition button once to use the built-in voice recognition, or press and hold it to use your smartphone's voice recognition. Please press the button.
So if I click the voice activation button and keep my finger on it for a second or so, that's the SIRI. Navigate to Manchester.
Getting directions to Manchester.
Now, if I click go, we'll set off, but if you just leave it,
Starting route to Manchester.
you don't have to, you know, you don't have to even click the screen. It will just go into it automatically. We'll try it again. So, finger on the button for a second or so. Navigate to Starbucks.
One possibility I see is Starbucks in Chorley. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.